Let's dive in the Sequence tab. We'll walk through creating an automated email sequence step by step. The Sequence Builder lets you add different types of steps, emails, waits, conditions, etc., to craft a custom workflow. We'll explore each step type, the options available, and how to navigate through configuring your sequence. To start, simply select a Google Sheet from your G Drive that contains your contacts and any details you want to use, such as names, companies, or other personal info. This sheet will serve as the data source for your email sequence campaign. The Save Sequence button to store your current workflow locally in your Chrome extension. And the Run Sequence is to kick off the automated process and start executing your sequence. To start creating your sequence, click the big green plus Add Step button. This opens the Edit Step dialog, where you can choose a step type and configure its settings. At the top of the dialog is a drop-down labeled step type. Click this and select the type of step you want to add. The available step types are Send Email, Send AI Email, Wait, Condition, Reply, and AI Reply. We'll go through each of these types and explain their purpose and settings. For a standard email, select Send Email. Here, you can either pick a pre-made template or write your own subject, preview, and message body. You can select from Google Docs templates and JSON file templates. When a template is selected, it will populate the subject, preview, and email body fields. You review and edit this as you wish. If you need to attach files, just click the paperclip icon. In this example, we'll click Save to add our first step in the sequence. Next, let's add our second step by clicking on the small green plus below the email step. This opens the Edit Step dialog again. Next, let's look at Send AI Email. Under the AI email source, choose either Generate New AI Subject, Preview, or Body to let the AI create your email content, similar to the AI Compose tab we explained before, or use columns from Sheet if you already have your data prepared in your spreadsheet. Just like the regular email step, you can add attachments in an AI email step. You can add a Wait step to pause the sequence. Simply enter the number of days you'd like to delay before the next action. In this example, let's add a Condition step, which lets you choose the type of event you want to check for, such as Open, Reply, or Click in case you have certain links or URLs in your email. In this example, I will choose Reply as a condition type. Within Days field lets you to set your condition monitoring window. I will leave it to 3 days. Let's click Save to add our second step. This creates 2 branches, one for when the condition is met and one when it isn't. This branching lets you send different follow-up messages based on your contact's interaction. Let's add a reply step to the branch where the condition is met. This means that when a recipient replies to your Step 1 email, the next step will automatically activate for them. To do so, click on the green plus under the Condition step. Reply step is used to send a follow-up email that continues an existing conversation thread. Essentially, it sends a reply to a previous email you sent, rather than starting a brand new email thread. You'll typically use a follow-up step after a wait, and often after a condition, to reach out again if the contact hasn't responded or to follow up regardless of response. Like the Send Email step, you can pick a template to pre-fill your follow-up content. The body field is the email body that will be sent as a reply. Since this email will go out as a reply in the same thread, you typically don't need to write a new subject line. Finally, the AI reply step. Simply, it's an AI-powered version of a reply step. An AI reply step is an automated reply that generates a follow-up message using artificial intelligence, saving you the effort of manually drafting each reminder. In the AI follow-up mode, you can choose between Use column from Sheet to use a pre-populated column from your Google Sheet for the body of your reply message, or Automatic AI Reply, where the system generates the message on the fly using customized settings like AI style, max tokens, and an additional prompt to tailor the tone and content of your AI reply. In this example, I drafted a prompt including my Calendly link so the AI reply can include it if there is a need to schedule a meeting. Let's click Save to add the AI reply step as the third and last step in our example. Click Save Sequence to store your progress, especially if you navigate between different tabs in the Lumimail app. Once you've configured all the steps in your sequence, click Run Sequence to launch it. This will initiate your workflow and start executing your defined steps automatically. Lumimail will create a new tab in your selected Google Sheet named Tracking. This tab displays the progress of your campaign by showing the status of all sent emails, as well as condition and wait steps. You can see that the initial email was sent to all recipients, and now Lumimail is waiting for any replies before sending the AI reply. Once a recipient replies, you'll see a new Y and a timestamp in the replied column on your tracking sheet. Lumimail then automatically sends the AI reply email, and you can check your Gmail to confirm it. Notice that the AI reply is sent as part of the same email chain, keeping the conversation organized. The reply is well structured and even includes the Calendly link exactly as specified in your prompt instructions. That's it. Thanks for watching and happy emailing with Lumimail.